Hi everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I have another simply layered kit with Carrie that I am doing today. This is our third kit and we're really excited about this. We're also really excited because we are going to be planning out the next 3 months using the holiday catalog. So that's a little behind the scenes action for you guys. We'll be doing that in the next couple weeks. As a demonstrator, I get to see the holiday catalog today. So that's really exciting. So let me show you our simply layered page kit. This is something that we're doing. It makes it really easy for you to create these simply layered pages. So what the deal is that you get a kit that will help you create this layout and this card right here. So this is the simply layered card that we're making, and then this is the simply layered kit. So it's a double-sided page. You see this right here. This has the exclusive dies from the stamp set and die set that's coming out this next month in August. It's called Color Your Season, and these are some exclusive dies. So it has that, so you'll get these pieces. And then we have another exclusive item, which is this card right here. It says Adventure Awaits, and you'll get that card right there. And then this is the first side of the layout, and then this is the second side of the layout. So this month we're featuring the In Route and Best Route product suite. So we have the designer paper. So the way this works is you can, for $20, you can purchase just the video tutorial. So you'll get a video tutorial on how to put this together and then a video tutorial on how to put the card together. For $25, you can purchase just the kit. So you'll get all of the pieces to make the pages, and then you'll get all of the pieces to make the card. So the exception to that is you don't get anything that is 12 by 12. So you don't get the 12 by 12 base cardstock, and you don't get the 12 by 12 designer paper. So in order to create this layout, you do need some 12 by 12 items, and we don't ship 12 by 12 pieces right now. Or if you just want to be able to get everything to put this together exactly how everything looks, you're going to want to place an order. You can do that by using the host code that is down below and going to my website. Our suggested supply list this month is a set of 12 by 12 neutral cardstock, because you're going to need the smoky slate, and there is a supply list down in the YouTube description or over on my website. The Best Route designer paper, and this has some really beautiful designer paper, and it has some really neutral pieces as well. So we have some really neutral pieces of Night of Navy and Basic Gray. So you're really going to get a lot of variety with this designer paper. And then the other two items that we suggest you picking up are going to be the stamp set and then the enamel shape dots, because we use a lot of these. So when you do that, then you get everything for free and it ships to you. So this is our layout right here. This is the simply layered page, and then this is the simply layered card. So pre-order opens up right now. If you need help placing the order, you can email me. I'm happy to be able to put that order in for you. We can work something out. I'm always available to do that. So this is our next simply layered kits, and we have the page and the card, and we're excited about this. You get a tutorial, a video tutorial of both projects, and then we just launched we redesigned our PDF, and you get a printable tutorial where you can print everything out. It has all of the measurements and the layout, so you can use that tutorial and follow along with the videos, and we make it really simple for you. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out this simply layered kit with myself and Carrie. This month is a little different. I'm doing the card and the layout, and so all of it is all in this video. You don't have to go anywhere else to see any of the items. I hope you guys are having a great Monday, and I will talk to you guys later this week with another project for you guys.
guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.